Hey everyone, I was going to do a little video on a Dewalt impact. I just recently replaced my dcf899 with a dcf900. This was a really good impact. It took off a lot of stout bolts. This one's supposed to be stouter, but this one just got a little old and got a little wore out. And originally this one came with a detent pin, which I would not recommend to anybody getting a detent pin on either one of these impacts. I exploded the anvil on this at least twice, maybe 3 times before I finally changed it out and put a hog ring. And the reason I didn't originally change it out is because it showed that I couldn't find a hog ring anvil that fitted this, an impact in the 899 that came with the detent pin. After I'd replaced a few of them and they just exploded too, they would just explode because the detent pin one is hollow. This is all hollow in here. And it'll just break off and just explode. And so what I did, I just ordered one of these aftermarket. This is not a Dewalt one. And if it went in there, I was able to put it in there. The biggest problem was that in the rear of the anvil itself, there's a pilot hole, and I had to take a piece of emery cloth and smooth that pilot hole out because it would hold this too tight. If you've ever put one of these together, and it would just go and just barely turn, it wouldn't hammer, and it's because of that pilot hole. After I smoothed that pilot hole out, I put it in there, and it worked fine. Now, as I say, with this dcf900, I would definitely buy the hog ring anvil. And this is really a stout impact. I've used it on just a few things. I've mainly just been carrying this one just to pull the lug bolts off of my bus. It has those big, huge lug nuts, and I hope I never have to use it to pull a wheel off there. But if I did, I've got it, you know. And any of these, you're not going to go wrong with, I think, with any Dewalt tool at all. I will show you another Dewalt tool. Now this is the detent pin for anybody that doesn't know what it is. In other words, it presses in and then you put your socket on and line your socket up with this hole and it won't come off, you know. And this is an older impact here and it's not really stout, so it works fine. I can just put like a 3/4 socket that I use a lot, and that's just all I use that for, is just 3/4. I just have it laying there. But anyway, I'm going to do some more Dewalt videos and some more videos in the future. Thanks for watching.